Dogecoin cost essentially equivalent to $0.0708 a coin, which especially is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.0695 0.0729 in a quite large way. The earlier day close, 0.0729 in an every practical sense, huge way. The change basically was 0.0021, 2.88%, showing how Dogecoin cost truly equivalent to $0.0708 a coin, or so they truly thought. Converse rate, USD to Doge, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.073, most certainly greatest $0.078, fundamentally least $0.068, or so they really thought. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.074, greatest $0.079, for the most part least $0.069, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.072, beautiful most extreme $0.077, lovely least $0.067 in a genuinely significant way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.072, truly greatest $0.077, especially least $0.067 in a truly significant way. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.072, genuinely most extreme $0.077, certainly least $0.067, so Dogecoin value forecast for. In the not-so-distant future in month Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.073, genuinely greatest $0.078, exceptionally least $0.068 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.071, in every practical sense, greatest $0.076, by and large least $0.066, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.073, lovely most extreme $0.078, really least $0.068, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.074, by and large greatest $0.079, really least $0.069 in a for the most part enormous manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.074, kind of most extreme $0.079, exceptionally least $0.069, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.074, especially greatest $0.079, genuinely least $0.069, which sort of is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.073, truly most extreme $0.078, in every way that really matters, least $0.068, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $0.073, lovely greatest $0.078, sort of least $0.068 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.072, fundamentally greatest $0.077, least $0.067, or so they really thought. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.072, kind of most extreme $0.077, kind of least $0.067, or so they sort of thought. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme $0.078, sort of least $0.068, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.069, greatest $0.074, sort of least $0.064, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.069, extremely greatest $0.074, beautiful least $0.064. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 19, cost $0.066, most certainly greatest $0.071, extremely least $0.061, which really is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.068, exceptionally greatest $0.073, beautiful least $0.063 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.067. Fundamentally most extreme 0.072, exceptionally least 0.062, or so they in every practical sense thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.068. In every practical sense, greatest 0.073, in every practical sense, least 0.063. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 23, cost $0.068. In every way that really matters, greatest 0.073, genuinely least 0.063, which is very critical. USD to Doge swapping scale really equivalent to 14.1183 coins per $1 in an exceptionally significant manner. Today, S-reach 137174. 143988, which fundamentally shows that Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.068, exceptionally greatest 0.073, by and large least 0.063, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby, 13.7231 in a quite enormous way. Change for now plus 0.3952, plus 2.88% in a for the most part significant manner. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing how USD to Doge cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 13.699 coins. By and large most extreme 14.706, beautiful least 12.821, or so they thought. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 13.514 coins. Beautiful most extreme 14.493, lovely least 12.658 in an exceptionally large way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 13.889 coins. Really most extreme 14.925, least 12.987, showing how the past day, S nearby, 13.7231, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 13.889 coins. In every way that really matters, most extreme 14.925, exceptionally least 12.987, which sort of is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 13.889 coins. Kind of greatest 14.925, truly least 12.987. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 14.085 coins. Extremely greatest 15.152, really least 13.158, showing that Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.074, exceptionally greatest 0.079, for the most part least 0.069 incredibly. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 13.699 coins. Certainly most extreme 14.706. Sort of least 12.821, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 13.514 coins. Most extreme 14.4